Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we'll cook a very famous South Indian garlic tamarind curry. And this awesome curry suits all type of rice, rotis and even idlis and dosas. For this, take some oil in a pan. To this, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let the mustards pop. Then add half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give a nice mix. Make sure all these are roasted well, and it's time to add our garlic cloves now. This is around 25 garlic cloves and this is around 25 shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can very well use onions. After sauteing this, let us close and cook this for a few minutes. Give a stir in between. Close it again and cook. We are going to cook this till the shallots are translucent. This is perfect now. This stage, add a handful of curry leaves. Curry leaves will give you a nice flavor to this curry. It's time to add all our masalas. This is quarter teaspoon of hing, that is asafoetida, and this is quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now add the required amount of salt and saute this till all the raw smell goes off. The masalas are perfectly cooked now, and it is time to add the tamarind water. This is a lemon-sized tamarind soaked in a cup of water for 15 minutes. Give a stir. This is again a mild tamarind water prepared with the leftover tamarind pulp. This is half a cup. Now add 1 cup of water. Let us close and cook this till oil oozes out. Our curry is ready now. The oil has oozed out very well and the color of the curry is also perfect. Now add some coriander leaves. Here is the very famous Poondu Kulambu from South India. Hope you like it. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.